In 2017, Eamon from FAUN released the roadmap to becoming a DevOps professional, from server to serverless, an article published in our FAUN publication. A few months later, many other articles and projects on the same topics emerged. We were delighted to have inspired a whole community to help, support, and share knowledge. We wanted to share the same article in this episode, but in a shorter, more concise format. Since the DevOps ecosystem started growing, we've always heard the same question that is somehow hard to answer in a few paragraphs: how to become a DevOps engineer. Let's try to look at the skills headlines a DevOps expert should have. DevOps is a movement and culture before it is a job, which is why cultural aspects are essential. Therefore, begin by learning about the culture. Additionally, technical skills are just as important as cultural ones. A good DevOps engineer should have strong development skills. Python, Go, Node.js. You have a wide range of options. You don't necessarily need to learn the same main language that your company uses, but having programming skills is always beneficial. Operational skills are as important as development skills, so it is important to learn how to use Linux, manage servers, and install and configure common middlewares, reverse proxies, and load balancers such as Nginx and HAProxy. This is the foundation. Learn networking and cybersecurity. You'll need these skills to create and maintain distributed systems. Learn to script. Even if it may seem outdated, it's still an important skill. Learning Linux, networking, and security will give you the right knowledge to explore cloud computing providers like AWS, GCP, Azure, and others. Don't forget to include automation tools like Ansible, SaltStack, and Terraform on your CV. These tools typically fall into three categories: infrastructure as code, configuration management, and remote execution. A DevOps will work with development teams to help them deploy stable software in an automated and continuous way. To do this, they must learn how to continuously build, test, package, and deploy apps using tools like Jenkins. Even if you're not into GitOps, you'll need to learn Git. Then to master GitOps, add Flux and Argo CD tools to your learning list. Finally, you'll need to learn about containerization, orchestration, and serverless technologies. Examples include Docker, Kubernetes, and AWS Lambda. That was 5 Minutes DevOps. Don't forget to join us on faun.dev/join. See you next time.